One of the easiest ways and quickest ways to sound country is to use what I call scale sequencing. Now what scale sequencing is if I were to play a 4-note, for example, sequence, I would play 4 notes starting from the tonic and then start on the next note of the pentatonic scale and play 4 notes up from that and so forth. So let's do it slowly now. And what we're going to do is a group of 4 sequence. So start on the G, play up 4 notes. Then start on the A, or the second note, and play up 4 notes, using just the notes of the pentatonic scale. Starting on the 3rd note of the pentatonic scale. Starting on the 4th note, using the same left-hand fingering. Starting on the next note of the pentatonic scale, or 4-2. Starting on the next note. Next note. And finally, and if I play that a little faster, you'll get an idea what it sounds like in context. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now descending, 3, 4. Okay, here's one more sequence that sounds country by nature. I call it the every other note sequence. And we're going to do it using our same major pentatonic scale. And by what I mean by every other note is that you're going to play, as the name implies, every other note of the pentatonic scale. So starting on the 1st note, I'm going to skip the next note and play the 3rd note. Then I start on the 2nd note and go up to the 4th note. And then I go up to the 3rd note. In other words, I'm starting on each of the notes of the pentatonic scale and then playing up 2 notes of the pentatonic scale from there. Better if I just play it for you and show you how it sounds and watch my fingerings. I'll do it really slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. And descending, 3, 4. And that's what it sounds like. If I play it a little bit faster, it starts sounding country. Let me play a little bit against the backing track using these sequences, and you'll hear what I mean. So what I hope you heard me do there was playing against the backing track using first the group of 4 sequences, then I stopped and I started with the every other note sequences. I did both of them ascending and descending. So I think you could hear in there, I hope you could hear how that sounds country just doing that alone.